Oh, god damn. Started sneezing. Nearly got my camera on time. But I forgot to press record. Okay. Seems to be a pretty mild one until now. How's the more coming? I don't normally need tissues because it's never snotty, it's just sneezing. And I haven't got my hat on either. So my hair's a mess. This might be one of the best ones I've had until now. I've not posted for a while because I've been away on a small vacation with the dogs. Yeah, I'm trying to talk so I don't sneeze. Well, I guess that was it. I think I can't feel anything that's coming. Oh well. Keep you posted. Bye.